I found the fastest way to create UGC ads. Check out these results.
I just cleaned my AirPods, but my thoughts were still dirty. So I bought this. Nice. Wait, what was my password?
Heading to work, and I'm taking my electric scooter. Been dreaming of having it.
I got this from Fashion Nova for half price, and they're still on sale right now. You might want to check it out.
Oh my God. I love this new chicken joint a lot.
It only took me 1 minute to create each of them. Here's how. Go to Magic Hour and select UGC Ad Generator. You can find the direct link in the description. Check it out. Step 1. Upload the actor and product. They have over 100 realistic AI actors you can quickly start with. Or if you already have one, feel free to upload it. So let me quickly find one from here. Okay, I'll go with this. Next, let's upload the product. Next, let's give a prompt for the starting frame. Then select your aspect ratio. Let's generate. Okay, the bag design is not clearly showcased. Let's adjust the prompt. All right, now it's better. Let's move to step 2. Enter the script and prompt. Paste your voice script here. Then here, describe your video scene in detail. Next, select the video duration here. Credit cost increases as with the duration. Then let's generate. Here's the result. Let's play it.
I just finished painting this bag for a client. If you want one for yourself, send me a DM. I just finished painting this bag for a client. If you want one for yourself, send me a DM.
You can also create your own influencer from scratch using the same tool. Go to Image Generator. Select the image model. I prefer Nano Banana Pro for realistic results. Then paste your detailed prompt. Then select the aspect ratio. Next, choose the number of images. I'll go with 1 image for faster rendering. Then let's generate. Here's our realistic influencer. This tool has one-click flows, so if you want to edit this image, just click here to go to the editor. So let's try changing her outfit and background. Then let's upload our reference image for the outfit. So this is what I want her to wear. Then select your image model. Again, I'll go with Nano Banana. Then let's generate. So here's our influencer wearing the new outfit. Let's download it. There is another feature called Face Editor where you can edit the character's facial expressions. Let's try it. First, let's upload our image. Now let's play around. Let's try adjusting the mouse smile a little. It only takes seconds to render the edits. I can't see much difference. Let's try something else. Let's try adjusting the horizontal eye gaze. Okay, now it's visible. So in case you want to play around your influencer's expression, use this tool. Now let's upscale our previous image. Let's go to the image upscaler. Let's upload our image and upscale it. So there's 2 options, Creative and Pro. Go with Pro for character consistency. Okay, perfect. Now let's try generating another UGC ad with our new influencer. So let's go back to the UGC generator. Let's upload the influencer here. Then let's upload the product. For this example, I'll make her promote a Stanley Cup. Then let's describe the initial frame. All right, this looks good to go. Let's proceed to step 2. Paste your voice script here. Then here, describe your video scene in detail. Next, select the video duration here. Credit cost increases as with the duration. Then let's generate.
I'm in love with my new Stanley Cup. Get yours customized, link below.
That's it. It's super fast and easy to create UGC ads using Magic Hour. You get multiple top models, one-click flows, and fast generations all in one tool for just $10 to $15 per month with serious power. Try it for yourself and decide. They have a generous free tier with credits that don't expire. The link to this tool is in the description. Don't forget to leave a like if you find this helpful and comment down what you think. See you on the next one.